Enjoy the amazing flavor of Moroccan mint tea in a scoop of sorbet. I start by preparing a good Moroccan mint tea. You will find all the instructions to make it traditionally in my video on Moroccan tea. I use green tea, fresh mint, verbena and orange blossom water. After letting the tea infuse for 5 minutes, I blend it with dates. The dates will sweeten and thicken the preparation. When I get a velvet texture, I filter it through a strainer. Note that the texture is much thicker now. I close the lid and freeze it for at least 24 hours. The next day, I lock the pins in the Ninja Creami and I select the sorbet program. I first got a sorbet with a texture that is still a little hard for my taste. I would prefer it to be a little softer, so I will correct this by using the respin program. This time I get a creamy texture and I can easily make a nice scoop. I like to serve this sorbet casually with just a few pine nuts and some mint leaves. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I'll see you soon!